Hello. Welcome. Have a wonderful day. Dear all, today we are learning English for alphabets letter A to Z. We will start our English class for fruits. Fruits names start with H. All the fruits name that starts with H are listed here. You will get a chance to improve your fruits vocabulary. It will be a wonderful lesson for beginners. Must read fruits that start with H. Fruits names start with H. Honeycrisp apple, Huito, Challah fruit, horned melon fruit, hairless rambutan, honeydew, hackberry, honeyberry, Hottentot fig, heirloom tomato, hawthorn fruit, hardy kiwi fruit, Himalayan mulberry, highbush blueberry, honeysuckle fruit, hazelnut. H O N E Y C R I S P A P P L E Honeycrisp apple. Honeycrisp apples are a popular variety of apple that has become increasingly popular in recent years. This is due to its unique flavor and crunchy texture, which makes it a favorite among apples lovers everywhere. H U I T O Huito. The oil-black hue of Huito blended seamlessly with the twilight sky, creating a unique tapestry of color. H A C K B E R R Y Hackberry. Hackberry, an evergreen tree found in arid and semi-arid climates around the world, is known for its bright green foliage, edible fruits, and usefulness as a shade tree. Native to North America, hackberries have been long used by indigenous peoples for food, shelter, and medicinal purposes. H O N E Y D E W Honeydew. Honeydew is a sweet and juicy melon that has recently become popular among health enthusiasts. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals, along with antioxidants to help protect the body from free radicals. At only 50 calories per cup, honeydews are an excellent way to satisfy your sweet tooth without sacrificing nutrition. H A I R L E S S R A M B U T A N. Hairless rambutan. A hairless rambutan is a rare and unique fruit found in Southeast Asia. The fruit, which looks like a small, bright red raspberry with no fur or fuzz, was first discovered in 2002. It has a sweet taste with an interesting texture that sets it apart from other fruits. H O R N E D M E L O N. Horned melon fruit. Horned melon is a unique, vibrant colored fruit that has been popularized in recent years as an exotic snack food. The horned melon, also known as the kawano or jelly melon, is native to parts of Africa and Australia and has been cultivated for centuries. It has a bright yellow to orange exterior with bumpy protrusions that give it its signature horned look. But this deceptively spiny exterior hides a sweet and tart interior. H O N E Y B E R R Y. Honeyberry. Honeyberry, a unique berry native to North America, is gaining attention for its nutritional benefits and sweet taste. Native to Canada and Alaska, honeyberries have been used by indigenous cultures as a food source for centuries. Honeyberries are characterized by their small size and dark blue or black color. They resemble blueberries in shape, but have a sweeter taste reminiscent of honey. H A L A F R U I T. Challah fruit. Challah fruit is a tropical delicacy that has been gaining popularity in recent years due to its unique flavor and health benefits. Native to the Pacific Islands, challah fruit has been enjoyed by locals for centuries as a source of nutrients and sustenance. With its sweet tart taste reminiscent of pineapple and mango, this exotic fruit is now being cultivated around the world and can be found in specialty stores or online markets. H A R D Y K I W I F R U I T. Hardy kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit, also known as Chinese gooseberry, is a nutrient-rich fruit native to China. It has become one of the most popular fruits in the world due to its unique taste and health benefits. Hardy kiwi is a type of kiwi that can be grown in colder climates and provides an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and fiber with every bite. H A W T H O R N F R U I T. Hawthorn fruit. Hawthorn fruit is an ancient medicinal plant that has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health issues. It has been used to reduce inflammation, improve cardiovascular health, and even aid in digestion. The fruit is small in size with a deep red color and sweet-sour taste. H E I R L O O M T O M A T O. Heirloom tomato. Heirloom tomatoes are a unique and flavorful variety of traditional tomato. They bring a distinctive taste to any salad or plate of food. These tomatoes have been grown for many generations, bringing with them a special flavor that has been passed down through the years. H A Z E L N U T. Hazelnut. Hazelnuts are a versatile and delicious nut that can be used in many recipes. They have a distinctive taste, which makes them an ideal choice for both sweet and savory dishes. Native to Turkey, hazelnuts are now grown in many other countries around the world, including Italy and the United States. H I G H B U S H B L U E B E R R Y. Highbush blueberry. Highbush blueberry is a popular fruit crop that has been grown in North America for centuries. Native to the eastern regions of Canada and the United States, it is also cultivated in parts of Europe, Asia, and South America. H O T T E N T O T F I G. Hottentot fig. The Hottentot fig is an ancient and unique plant native to the coastal regions of South Africa. This succulent's scientific name is Carpobrotus edulis, and it has also been referred to as highway isoplant because of its frequent appearance along roadsides. Most people are familiar with this species through its edible fruits, which are tart and juicy, but they may not know that it has a long history dating back millennia. H I M A L A Y A N M U L B E R R Y. Himalayan mulberry. Himalayan mulberry, also known as wild Himalayan paper bush, is a deciduous shrub native to the Himalayas and other mountain ranges of South Asia. The plant has large, ovate leaves that turn a glorious yellow-orange in autumn and clusters of small white flowers in summer. While not often cultivated for its ornamental value, the Himalayan mulberry shrub still has many uses.
Thanks for watching. We will meet next video. Good luck and goodbye. Please like, share, subscribe. Nandri. Vanakkam.